no power, eh?
But this is EcoBoost.
EcoBoost.
Supercharged. Supercharged. Oh yeah, supercharged.
Work is for people who don't know how to fish. Okay.
Okay, guys. Good day, good day, good day. I'm back. I'm here at Best Tire Shop on Auto Center. I have with me a 2015 Ford 150. Customers complaining about the noise on the front, and I diagnosed it yesterday, and it was a water pump. Obviously, water pump is worn out already. At the same time, I recommend also the belt tensioner, because there's a little bit wobbling. Okay, here's the location of the water pump. So right there.
So there's no.
I replaced it already with a belt tensioner. Now problem fixed. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and please share my video. I miss you guys. Bye bye.